If you want to learn a basic wrapping technique, I recommend the Otsukai Tsutsumi. Otsukai means errand in Japanese, and I'm going to show you how to do it with this Zinnia print from our garden collection. Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally. Place your item in the center. Take the corner close to you and drape it over the box. Take the opposite corner and do the same. You may have to adjust the amount of fabric. You want to make sure that the fabric on top of is not going all the way to the bottom of the box when draped. You want to show the edges of the corner. Take the two remaining corners and bring them to the center. Make a bow. Adjust the bow and make it pretty.